Hey guys, today I want to show you how to remove and sharpen the blades of your Kubota tractor. And while we're at it, we'll show you how to remove the deck and grease the fittings. If you like the video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe. First, lower the deck all the way, shut the tractor off, and remove the key. Disconnect the universal joint from the PTO shaft by pulling back on the coupler and pulling it off. Then disconnect the rear links on each side of the tractor by pulling the L pins back and lock them in place. Now, while holding the front lever, pull back on the L pin, lock it in place, and remove the front link. Then raise the rear links to the highest position, and you're ready to remove the deck. Yeah.
Come here. Of course, you'd be right there on it.
Deck over and use a 30mm socket or wrench to loosen the blades. Here I'm resting it or balancing it on the anti-scalp rollers there in the back. But get help if you need it, because it is a heavy deck. Loosen the bolts with a 30mm socket or wrench. If you don't have an angle grinder, you can do this with a hand file or bench grinder as well, but I find this is a lot easier. Once you're happy with your edge, clean any junk off the blade and make sure it's balanced. If it's not, it will cause vibration, and that's hard on the drive and gearbox. Make sure you reinstall the blades with the bottom side of the blade facing you. And there's a two washers. One is a cup washer. Install it first with the raised side of it facing you, and then install the lock washer. Make sure to tighten the bolts pretty good. Snug them up good. Now I'm going to grease the fittings on the deck. I think there are 8 of them, 7 or 8 of them, not counting the wheels. Here I'm putting grease in one of the spindles for the blades. There's 3 of those. Just using multi-purpose grease. If you don't have a grease gun and you want to do this, you need one. I'll leave links in the description below for what I've used in this video. I believe this is the grease fitting for the gearbox. This one is the tension pulley pivot. I usually squeeze it until I see it coming out. There's the third spindle. And then I do both ends of the universal joint. Make sure you get a CAT scan of it too, if you have a cat. And here I'm just greasing the, I think they call it the spline. Good idea to keep grease on it. Here I'm pointing out that this goes on only one way. There's a larger notch in the part I'm holding right now, and then it goes on to, there's a little weld there that's connecting two of the splines, I guess you'd call them. And if you need help reinstalling the deck, I've got a video. I'll leave a description, or I'll leave a link in the description below. Look for a step-by-step tutorial on Kubota mower deck installation and removal. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like, leave a comment, ask questions, and subscribe.